This is an incredible product, and I'm going to unbox it here today for you guys because it's in Web3, okay? It is, in fact, a Web3 ring, okay? So we're going to get this out. We're going to show you exactly what it's all about and how you can earn by simply wearing jewelry. Okay, so this is their website, and as you can see, just in terms of a product, okay, when you see animations and really techie Apple-style stuff like this, then yeah, it's typically a great sign for a project and a great sign for the success of that project. If we're talking about partners here, guys, well, essentially they're partnered with OpenAI, they're partnered with Meta for Llama use, and Ubisoft as well. Okay, that's just to name a few. Some massive names on this list for sure. Okay, and there's just so many benefits to wearing this ring. So what does the ring actually do? Well, it monitors your health with things such as heart rate, okay, it monitors your sleep, stuff like this, and then it's going to take that information, put it onto the app when you sync up with it, and then with that data, you can actually send that off and get paid in Blueberry for that data. What do they do with that data? Well, they essentially train AIs. They use AI to come up with better, healthier practices based on this data, and then they send those practices to you in the form of guides to help you live a better life. So essentially, you can get healthy wearing this ring, and you're going to get so many benefits, but also once you own the ring, you essentially have access to this health hub where you can talk to other people in the community, can actually get health benefits from that. In terms of battery life, guys, it's from 36 hours if you have all the features enabled, but if you turn some features off, you can have this ring working for up to 14 days. That is incredible. Okay, a 2-hour charge every 14 days is ridiculous. So in terms of this product not having a screen, this is something that's fantastic because it allows you to wear that tech and use that tech for longer. If we look at some of the reviews here, guys, you can see here from Sarah Thompson, Blueberry has changed the way I approach my workouts. I get more out of them and more out of life. From Grace Chen here, we have earning crypto is a great motivation for me to get healthy. So these guys definitely are on the right track here. Okay, so they got 20 designs, 38,000 happy clients, and a 4.7 rating from their clients that have the ring. 10 awards as well for this product, and it is a fairly new product, so I imagine the adoption on this is going to be crazy. That's good for the tech, that is good for the company, but it's also good for the Blueberry token price, which you're going to be earning from wearing this Wearfi ring. Here are some of the benefits here, right? So you've got access exclusive content, enjoy product discounts. So if they do release any other Wearfi products, which I imagine they do have on their radar, okay, then what you're going to be able to do with this is actually unlock discounts by just buying this ring initially, right? So if you're earning the Blueberry tokens, you could use those Blueberry tokens to get the discount on the next product and just get ahead of the crowd and benefit on a health basis from that. You can also vote on new features. Okay, so this is more of a governance thing. Okay, if you own the token, you're going to get a vote in this company. You're going to get a vote in this project and shape the future of the ecosystem. And then there's going to be challenges and community rewards where you can essentially interact with people in the community. Okay, have little health competitions and leaderboards and stuff like this. And then the winners of those, or the most improved in those in terms of healthiness, right, which will all be tracked by the ring, then yes, this is something that you can earn more from. All of this is launching on the Moonchain, and if you know Moonchain, then they have a lot of projects already under their belt. Okay, these guys are a very successful chain already, so it's good to see Wearfi actually coming to this chain, and it's good to see Blueberry actually going out there and finding the chains that are most applicable for them and their business model. If we head over to Blueberry AI's Twitter or X, we can see that they already have 2,600 followers, all right, and they are already verified, which is good. Okay, if we're looking at their posts, we can see they are getting pretty decent engagement, and they've just announced an ambassador program where essentially if you go out there and promote this ring for them, then you can actually earn more in terms of the Blueberry token. And here we can see more partnership announcements. They've partnered with Nintendo Switch and Ubisoft here, which are two massive companies in the gaming space. So it'll be interesting to see if any gaming apps come out of this where you can actually go in and compare your health benefits and compare how you're doing and what the ring has gathered from your finger here, in which, yes, you can earn from that as well. You can see all of the features of that ring as well. So we've got advanced sleep tracking. Maybe you don't like wearing your watch at night. Personally, I don't, but a ring is a lot more applicable. Okay, it's not going to get in the way when you sleep. All right, so you're going to have tracking of your sleep, biometric monitoring such as heart rate, temperature, and a lot more. Okay, activity and readiness score. Okay, so if you are exercising, then it's going to monitor that and help you kind of bring your stats down for a healthier body. Stress management, so by monitoring your heart rate and stuff like that, you can actually manage your stress accordingly. Personalized health insights. Okay, so with all of this data, they're going to compile it, they're going to use AI, and they're going to help you with advice to live a healthier life. There's also community wellness programs, so you can engage with other ring holders, other people that are in this Wearfi space, and actually compete with them to compare achievements that they've done in terms of their health. How does the earning work though? Okay, so it's 4 very, very simple steps, guys. You would wear the ring, okay? You sync up your data every day, and then you're going to be awarded the token balance every update that you give to the software, okay? So what that means is every time you sync up your ring with your phone, then that data is going to be sent off, and then you're going to be rewarded because of that. And all of this health data from all of these 38,000 people, they're going to be able to train AIs, but also get enough health data to help you guys live healthier lives with the right advice. You can also participate in wellness challenges to enhance your DAO contributions and earn extra Blueberry tokens. You essentially receive your Blueberry tokens through engagement with the app and wearing the ring. So accumulate Blueberry tokens through engagement, redeem them for exclusive content and products. So if they do release other Wearfi products, you could potentially use your Blueberry tokens to buy those products and increase your health benefits even more. So the ring itself comes in a pretty sturdy, well-wrapped box, as you can see here. And in the box, it does have even more protection for the ring itself. As we get it out of the box here, you can see another smaller box, which is in fact the Blueberry box. And I must say, this design for a box is fantastic. As we can see, we open the box here. It is just plastic around the box here, and yeah, I think just generally it's pretty well wrapped, and yeah, I love the color of the red here of the box itself. If we open the box up, it does actually have a magnet seal, which is a great sign of premium for this project in all. As you can see here, it comes with a very nice instruction manual, and it also has this box as well, which is the charging box that is wireless for the ring itself. So the box will just have the ring inside it, and then we just go ahead and charge that ring. We take the box out here and we open it up. We can see the ring is inside, and I will just say that it's a very sleek design. It looks fantastic. And yeah, it's a pretty nice fit on the finger as well. So when charging this thing, we can see that you would just put the ring in like it is so, and while it's charging, it will have a green flashing light just under the ring, okay? What that means is if it's flashing fast, then it's low charge, and then if it's flashing less fast, if it's flashing slowly, then it's going to be a bit of a higher charge on the ring. The ring charge lasts from 2 days up to as much as 15 days here, guys, so you don't have to worry about charging it too much, and the charge usually takes around 2 hours in itself. And here we can see placing it on my finger. Fantastic stuff. One thing I like about this ring is just generally in public, you can tell it's technological by the little silverness underneath, okay, which does bring it into conversation quite a lot. And that just allows you to share that referral code with more people because it's in the conversation a lot, and it allows you to earn more because of that. When it comes to setting up your ring, it's very, very easy. You just type in Moonbase into your Play Store and then download and install that app. Okay, once you've done that, you would open the app and then accept notifications because you're going to want to be notified about your health. Then you're going to create a wallet. Super simple to do this, okay? You can store all of your seed phrases and stuff in your Telegram like I'm going to do, or you can get it sent to your email. All right, so I'm going to click Telegram here, okay? And then I'm just going to forward the message here. It's going to send me to the Telegram chat. And there we have it. It is in my Telegram chat. If we go back to the app here, okay, it's going to ask for security, which is a great sign here from any app. We're going to do that with our fingerprint, and we're going to set a code here as well. And then the account setup is complete, right? So let it load for a little bit here, and then you can pick a username. And now we are in the app, we can see that there is a Blueberry ring icon. You're going to want to click that so we can then set up the ring. Okay, and then we're going to register the ring very, very easily. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and then you're just going to press the mint button at the top of the screen. After it's identified your ring, you're going to press confirm, and it's going to take you to the next screen. As you can see here, we're going to sign the transaction, and we can see that we do have all of the health stuff on the screen that the ring is picking up. Okay, I'm going to show you how to sync your ring real quick, because this is how you actually earn the blueberry. You just press the sync button, let it sync, and then from that point, you will essentially, if you have data on the ring, right, it will be synced up to your phone, sent onto this server, and then you're going to get paid out in blueberry. Once that's done, it's going to say transaction confirmed. You're going to press done, and then you are good to go. So this is what the dashboard looks like, right? It's going to monitor your sleep, heart rate, steps, and SaO2 levels. So that's fantastic. And we can also see that there's a staking option here as well, where if you do have blueberry, you can stake it and then earn more blueberry. There's also a referral section here, which is super easy to use. You're going to be able to see all the people you've referred, and you can also compete with them in a health group. If you create a health group, then you get all your friends involved, and then you can monitor each other's health and then compete to see who is more healthy. Okay, this section is really, really cool. And the reason for that is because you can essentially get guides on how to live healthier and just figure out how to make the most from your Wearfi ring. In summary here, guys, this ring is fantastic. It looks good, it feels good, and it comes in very nice packaging as well. All right, so super happy with this thing. Can't wait to start earning some blueberry, wearing it every day. And yeah, that's going to be it from me. Definitely check this one out in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.